Okay, everybody, this is Adam with Front Range Storm Contractors here. Just going to show you how to tie in the ridge shingles if you're just doing a couple here, but those are already installed. So in this section here, this one and this one, there were two that were missing, so I'm installing those two. I've already got this one installed. As you can see, the exposure is a little bit less than the rest of them, but that's because I got to be able to fit this other one in here. And the exposure on these two shingles are actually quite different. I don't know if you can see that, but typically I would put the next one right about there. And so, I mean, that's only a ½ inch. But you know, a ½ inch adds up over time. So here's how you tie it in. You've got this one, you've broken the seal on the last one. You just want to be super careful because there's a bend in it right here, and so if you just try to pull it up from the middle and flip it backwards, it's going to tear and rip, maybe crease. So you just want to go from one corner or the other. And once you've got it loosened, go ahead and just slide that up underneath there, at least as far you know, as you need to get it in there. Try to kind of line it up, center it, turn it like that so that it can fit. You know, we're covering that part up over here, so that looks pretty good there. And as far as the exposure goes, it's not perfect, but that's because these are actually two different brand shingles. The ones I'm installing are Owens Corning, and the ones that were already here are Tamco. So that's why they're slightly different size. But can you tell the difference in color? No. And there just aren't any Tamco 3-tab shingles in this desert sand color in the Denver area, at least not in stock. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to pull up this corner here, tap that nail in, pull up this corner here, tap that nail in, and then this shingle will seal down to the native sealant that's in the freshly installed shingle. However, this shingle is not going to seal down to the old sealant, the old native sealant on this one. So come over to this corner here. Maybe you guys can see. Shadows won't be so bad. Yeah, okay. So this native sealant here on the old shingle is old. I had to break that seal to get it off. So it's not going to seal down to the new shingle. So after I'm done, I'm going to come back with some roofing cement and just put a couple of dabs under this corner here so that everything is sealed down with either the native sealant strip or some dabs of this roofing cement. All right, thanks everybody. Have a good one.